He shrieked me. The exclamation rang loud as gasps groaned through the courtroom. My great-grandmother Mary was the person who said it. The chief of police for the city of Monterey sat across from her. Though they did not convict him of assault, he was later forced from office in disgrace. And out of this lurid media coverage of this trial, she acquired the sobriquet, the Bootleg Queen of Monterey. Mary wasn't always an outlaw. She had married her first husband against her father's wishes and fell on hard times after her husband's death. Becoming a bootlegger helped her and her 5 children survive. Her second marriage would be different. Great-grandpa James was a stonemason and could provide for her. This time, Mary's dad gave his blessing, and James built her a rock house, and they had a baby, my grandma, Dolly. But this is not a fairy tale, and James drank, and on Mary's deathbed, she was full of regret and wished that she had obeyed her dad all those years ago. Dolly replied, "But Mom, then you wouldn't have me." Although life was hard, Mary and James held on to the rock house, and Dolly did the same. Dolly had my mother, and my mother had me, and when Dolly died and her possessions were being chucked aside, I found an old and rusty strong box. Inside were my grandma's memories and my great-grandmother's pictures. My mom has chipped away at these stories and found great-grandma's trial and all these family legends to be true. And my mom tells me these stories and asks if I am listening. And I am. And guarding over me is the rock house, and so is the strong box, and so is the name etched in the stone, Mary Chapel.